Hey everybody, welcome back to Guns and Gadgets, your premier source for Second Amendment news. Before I get into it, new shirts are available. I'll have a link down below. It's a Teespring store. Check them out if you're into it. If not, don't check it out. I'm not gonna Let's get into today's news. Polymer80, a very popular 80% lower company. They make ARs and pistol lowers. Just chunks of plastic that the end user would have to modify if they were to turn it into a firearm, and very legal. Washington, D.C., their Attorney General, Karl Racine, yes, the same Washington, D.C. that tried yesterday to kind of be sneaky to become a state, the 51st state, believe it or not. They're saying there are too many people there that don't have their voices heard. Of course, the city is like 99.6% Democrat. But Karl Racine has filed a lawsuit against Polymer80 this week, looking to stop them from selling their products in the District of Columbia. Now, the complaint, which I've just finished reading through, alleges three things against Polymer80. It alleges that Polymer80 is selling firearms that violate the district's gun laws. They have failed to disclose that they are not licensed to sell firearms in the district, and they're also falsely claiming that their product is legal in the District of Columbia. And of course, AG Racine of the Democrat capital of the world is asking the court to block Polymer80 from selling illegal ghost guns in Washington, D.C., as well as civil penalties, monetary relief, and legal fees. Now, Polymer80, if you don't know about them, you really should, because they make a great product, and it's totally legal. In fact, according to the ATF, a license is not required to make a firearm solely for personal use. And that has been the law of the land since before the country was a country. The colonists made their own firearms as well. It's been totally legal forever. And these people are just thinking of more ways to just take the firearms out of the communities. The reason being is if we as a society become unarmed, then the final transition to their communist ways will be complete. They're already basically bribing people to stay indoors, right, and wear a mask and be a Karen and complain and rat everybody out. The next thing is to do the ultimate takeover. They can't do that as long as we are here to stop them. Last year, Pennsylvania's Attorney General, Josh Shapiro, did the same thing and sued Polymer80. And Firearms Policy Coalition got behind this, and they ended up winning that injunction, so you can still buy Polymer80s. But we have seen just the other day, 16 attorneys general are all for ammo background checks, and you'll see those same 16 try this ghost gun ban as well. I mean, look what just happened in Rhode Island. So for those interested in reading it, I will have a copy of the actual complaint linked down below. And I also let you know that Polymer80 makes some really good stuff. I can't put a link for them down below because it's considered a firearm part and YouTube will ban me, so please don't make the comment of their link. But just know that they're out there. It's very easy to find. They make great stuff. And it's just a chunk of plastic. And according to the law, you saw, I'll put it up here again, according to the ATF, it's totally legal federally to make your own firearm for personal use. And that drives the anti-gunners crazy. All right, everybody, just a quick update. I hope you're having a fantastic weekend. We're about to get hammered by some severe storms with hail and all kinds of stuff here. Should be a good one. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. We've lost a lot of subscribers lately. I think YouTube's doing another purge. So double check your subscription status. Hit that thumbs up so that more people will see the video, just to force it into the algorithm. Share it with some friends as well. And toggle that bell icon so that you're notified when I put out new content. A lot of people have been messaging me lately saying that they haven't been getting the notifications. So double check them. And until we see each other again, be safe, stay vigilant, and carry your weapon. Take care, everybody.